Today we're going to take a look at a major issue that could be silently ruining your turbocharged engine. In over 20 years of doing this, I've seen many engines suffer from avoidable mistakes. Stay tuned to learn how to protect your turbo, and if you find this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So here are 5 things that hurt turbocharged engines. 1. Cold start and hard acceleration. One of the most common mistakes, and a very serious one, is the so-called cold start syndrome. A familiar situation. A frosty morning, you are late. Start the engine and immediately step on the gas. Do you recognize yourself? Unfortunately, this is one of the most destructive actions for a turbocharged engine. Why? When the engine is cold, especially in frosty weather, the oil thickens like molasses. The turbocharger, which by the way, can rotate at a speed of more than 200,000 revolutions per minute, needs immediate lubrication. Sharp acceleration before the oil warms up is a recipe for disaster. The solution is simple. Let the engine idle for 2 to 5 minutes before driving. It's only a few minutes of your time, but they can extend the life of the engine for years. 2. Low quality fuel. Now let's talk about what you put in the tank. Fuel quality is of utmost importance. Turbochargers increase the pressure in the combustion chamber, which means the fuel must be able to withstand high compression without pre-igniting. Using low-quality fuel, or fuel with the wrong octane rating, can lead to detonation or pre-ignition. Believe me, these little explosions in the cylinders are bad news for your engine. Always, and I emphasize, always check your owner's manual to find out what type of fuel is recommended. If it says premium, don't skimp. A few extra bucks at the pump is nothing compared to the cost of a major engine overhaul. 3. Over-reliance on the start-stop system. Now let's discuss a feature found in many modern turbocharged cars. Stop-start. It's great for fuel economy and emissions, but, and this is a big but, it can actually be harmful to turbocharged engines if you rely on it too much. It has to do with oil circulation. Every time the engine stops, even for a few seconds, the oil flow stops. This becomes a problem if the engine is turned off while the turbo is still hot. Over time, this stop-start cycle can lead to increased wear, carbon deposits, and even damage to the starter and battery. The solution? Use the system wisely. Disable the stop-start periodically, and always use a high-quality oil that is approved for such systems. 4. Instant engine shutdown after high-speed or intensive driving. Picture this. You finish a long drive on the highway, pull into a parking lot, and immediately turn off the engine. Sounds like a no-brainer, right? Wrong. After a hard or high-speed drive, your turbocharger can reach temperatures in excess of 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, 538 degrees Celsius, hotter than a pizza oven. Shutting off the engine immediately cuts off the oil supply, leaving all that heat with no way to dissipate. As a result, oil can bake onto the turbocharger components, causing carbon deposits. Not good. The solution is simple. Let the engine idle for 30 seconds to a minute after a hard drive before shutting it off. This small step will significantly extend the life of your turbocharger. 5. Neglecting regular oil changes. Listen carefully because this is important. Regular oil changes are vital for a turbocharged engine. In such an engine, the oil not only lubricates but also cools the turbocharger. And believe me, under such loads, the oil wears out quickly. Skipping oil changes is like pouring sand into the engine. What to do? Change the oil every 3,500 to 5,500 miles, and always use high-quality synthetic oil, specially designed for turbocharged engines. Your turbo will thank you.